time, my favorite time, because you guys are so smart at math and it clicks and I love it. Today we're going to continue adding with 3 numbers. Today you get to use pictures and numerals. We are on page 8.2, lesson 8.2, or page 284, 285. If you need to pause the video so you can find your page, please do so. And then we'll get started. We're working with addition. All right. So it says, how many bugs are on each leaf? Okay, how could we do this? Well, the first way, which I know most of you will say, is Mrs. Sloan, we can count them, which we could, but does it matter which order do we count them on? Can we start with this leaf? Can we start with this leaf? Or do we have to start with this leaf? So it doesn't matter, and that's what this associative property is saying, is you can add in any order. So I'm going to start with a smaller number. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know there are 12 ladybugs all together. Mr. Raccoon is giving you a hint. He says, I look for 2 numbers that make 10, and then I add the last number. So if we have 4, 2, and 6, what 2 numbers make 10? And that's something we did yesterday. I know that, get my pen out, I know 4 and 6 make 10. So in our head, we could start with 10 and then count on 11, 12. That keeps you from having to count every single leaf. We know this is 10 without even having to count them. I know 6 and 4 is 10, 10, 11, 12. And then we're going to write our equation. We had 4, 6, and 2 equals 12. All right. Okay. So down here, I'm going to do these 2, and then your assignment is to do these 2, and then I'll do these, and you do these, and then you try to come up with your own. All right, so here we go. Draw arrows to show 2 groups that make 10. Write an equation to show how you add to find the total. So I have 3, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know 3 is going to have to be one of them. But is it going to be 3 and 3, or is it going to be 3 and 7? Well, I know 3 and 3 is 6. So 3 and 7 is 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 3, 3, and 7. I know 3 and 7 make 10. 10 and 3 is 13. Okay. All right, we have 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And I have 1, 2, 3. Well, I know in my head 8 and 2 is 10. Plus 3 more would be 13. Okay, I'm going to leave these 2 for you to do. Up here we got the same thing, but this time we have our numerals instead of our pictures. So 4, 5, and 6. I'm thinking 5 and 4 is 9, 5 and 6 is 11, so it must be 6 and 4 is 10, and 5 more is 15. So I'm going to put 15. So 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 15. And then we have 9, 5, and 1. I know 1 and 5 is 6. 5 and 9 is 14, so it must be 9 and 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. All right. I'm going to go ahead and leave these for you. So for your assignment today, do these 2 down here, C and D, and then do C, D, E, F. And then for bonus, see if you can come up with 3 different equations on how to add these frogs. All right, step ahead means it's getting you ready for the next lesson and getting you ready for 2nd grade. Okay, along with that, 8.2 has another page. I'm going to close this real quick. Remember, this is a recorded video, so you can pause it. I'm going to close this. If you turn the page, 8.2 has a review assignment, which is page 286 and 287. Here you're adding, complete the equation, and then draw a line to join each white slip, light and switch that have matching totals. Okay, so 8 plus 6, so that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, I can't draw on this. Shoot. So this one's 14. So which one down here also equals 14? And then I would draw a line. All right, so that's this page. Over here we have color the blocks to show the numbers of ones, then write the number of ones left over. So 30 ones, how many would you color for 30? And then down here, how many did you not color? Remember, each of these is 10. So 10, 20, 30. You color 3, and then how many are left over? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I would write 70 on this line. We've done these before back in class, so you should know. This is a review of what we did yesterday. Use different colors to show 2 or 3 parts, then write the matching equations. So pick 2 colors for this one, make 10. Pick 3 colors for this one, make 10. And then down here, draw jumps to help you count on. Write 2 addition facts to match. So you're going to start with 12 and add 2. So 10, or 12, 13, 14. So this is a review page. So you're going to do these 2 pages and then the 2 pages that we were just talking about. And that's your assignment for today. Okay, guys, remember if you have any questions, have your parents get onto Dojo and message me, or you can come talk to me during our class meets on Google Meets in the morning. And I'm starting an afternoon Google Meets because I know some of you are home and have more time in the afternoon. But good luck with this, guys. I know you got it, and have a great afternoon.